In this video, I will show you how to change the ringer volume so it's either adjusted with the buttons, the volume buttons, or you can set it fixed to a specific amount. And here, for example, I press the volume up. You have on the left side, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max with iOS 18.4, and you have the volume up and volume down. So you can adjust the volume with these buttons, but you can also adjust the ringer if you wanted to. So you can go into the settings, and here in settings, go to the sound and haptics. So you have sound and haptics options here. And if you wanted to adjust the volume, the ringer of your phone with the buttons, you could enable this option. That's how it works. But now if I disable it, it will only adjust the volume. I actually prefer to adjust only the volume for media when I press the volume up and volume down, so I don't change the volume of the ringer itself, the ringtone and alerts. And if I want to make the phone silent, I can press the silent button and it's quickly going to silent mode. And then I can press it again, this one here, to go out of silent mode. And the volume, you can adjust it here. That's the maximum. And you can also see on the dynamic island here the information about what's changing, silent mode, like that. If you don't want to use the button or this silent button doesn't work, the action button. If the action button doesn't work or you have it set to something else, you can do the silent mode from the sound and haptics option manually like this, but I prefer to have the silent button there. For ringtone and alerts, I prefer to keep it somewhere in the middle, like this. Not too loud, but not too low. This is how you change the settings for the ringtone to make the ringtone and the alerts louder. This is how you can make the ringtone and the alerts louder on your iPhone. With the volume buttons, you can do that, but you can also set it fixed in the settings and not change it afterwards. So you don't set the volume too loud or too low by mistake. Thanks for watching.